Today, I'm going to show you how to combine email and SMS marketing in Mailchimp step by step so you can build a simple automation that reaches your audience in more than one way. This is a great strategy if you want better engagement, stronger follow-up, and a more connected customer experience. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Mailchimp tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Mailchimp account and head over to the left-hand menu. Click on Automation. This is where Mailchimp lets you create automated workflows based on specific actions or triggers. Once you're inside the automation area, click Build from Scratch. This gives you a fully custom setup, which is exactly what we want for combining email and SMS in one flow. Now you'll be asked to name your automation. Give it a clear name so you can easily identify it later, especially if you're managing multiple workflows. After naming it, click Choose a Trigger. This is the action that starts your automation, and in this case, we want it to begin when someone signs up. From the trigger options, select Sign Up for Email. That means whenever a contact joins your email list, this is perfect for welcome sequences, lead follow-ups, and cross-channel messaging. Once the trigger is set, you'll move into the Automation Builder. Here, you can drag and drop the actions you want to use. First, drag and drop Send SMS into the workflow. This lets you reach your subscriber with a text message, which is often seen faster than email and can help boost immediate engagement. After that, drag and drop Send Mail into the automation. This adds an email step to your flow, so you can follow up with a more detailed message, offer, or welcome sequence. Combining SMS and email gives you more flexibility and helps you deliver the right message at the right time. Now, there is one very important thing to know before you finish. To use SMS automation in Mailchimp, you need to upgrade your plan. If you try to continue without the right plan, Mailchimp will prompt you to upgrade. So click Upgrade and Continue, then follow the steps to start the upgrade process. Once your plan is active, you'll be able to use the SMS features inside your workflow. After upgrading, go back and make sure your automation is set up correctly. Double-check the trigger, confirm the SMS step, and confirm the email step is in the right order. This is important because the flow you build determines how your audience experiences your messages. When everything looks good, activate the automation and let it run. From that point on, Mailchimp will automatically send SMS and email messages based on the trigger you selected. That means less manual work for you and a much smoother marketing system overall. And that's how you combine email and SMS marketing in Mailchimp. It's a powerful way to create a multi-channel automation that can improve response rates and keep your audience engaged. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Mailchimp guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.